We're looking at the support phase of the plan, and at the onset I want to say good work, thank you, and congratulations to all our technology champions who train and support their SGB members in this process. The dream is that each school's SGB members gain access to the information highway, and secondly, that when SGB members get access, they have the skills to find the correct and important information to make their school a better place where good governance and management are applied. This is not only a response to the 21st century context in which we live, or a response to COVID and the migration to more online activities, but part of the bigger dream to equip governing bodies to have the maximum impact they can have on the operation and control of their school. In the support phase of the plan, we will assist members to navigate the FEDSAS website. To subscribe to the website, for this, members will need an email address, and this was handled previously. We want members to search for documents and other resources, to request contact information and connect with our team. Let's take a quick look at using the FEDSAS website.
How to access our new website. We have developed a new website with enhanced security features. And today, we would like to take you through the steps on how to register on our new site. Step 1. Go onto our website www.fedsas.org.za and register as an organization admin by clicking on the yellow box in the top right corner that says Login. Once you clicked on the Login button, you will be directed to a login page. Enter your email address that you used to register your FEDSAS membership. The password will be a default password, FEDSAS!123. The password is case sensitive, so please make sure that you type it in correctly. When you click on the login button, you will be redirected to create your own password using the email address that we have on our system. Please note that in the event where you have forgotten your password, you can make use of the Forgot Password function. You will be asked to type in your email address, and we will send you a password reset link via email. The email will look like this. The link will direct you to a page where you can create a new password. Step 2. How to register the rest of your SGB, allowing them access to the FEDSAS website. With the new FEDSAS website, you have the ability to register each of your SGB members with their own username and password, unlike before where everybody shared the same login details. Once you have registered as organization admin, you will be logged in. On the home page, you click on the membership link, found in the top right corner, which will direct you to the membership page, where you will find a breakdown of all your members with empty fields where you must enter their details by clicking on the Add Account link to register each of your members. Once you have entered their details, they will receive an email allowing them to create their own password onto the email account registered. We urge you to take the time and register all the members, so everybody has access to the information on our site. Should it be necessary, you can also deactivate an account. Then that member will no longer have access via their username and password. A detailed guide has been created to assist you in these two important steps, ensuring that all your members have access to the vital information found on our website. In addition, please do not hesitate to contact any of our provincial administrative officers should you have any queries or uncertainties. As always, here are the details of your provincial managers. Please feel free to contact them. Please log into our website and make the effort to register all your members. There is a wealth of information especially for you. We have upgraded the security on our website to ensure all the information is protected.
In this phase of the plan, we also want to support the SGB members to be able to do the following. Number 1, participate in the webinars. How to register, how to attend live and online, or how to get the recording at a later stage. We also talk about access to the other services that FEDSAS offers and the products that add value to the school. we are especially looking here at some of the members of the Centre for Technology and how to reach them. Then we want to talk about information technology as part of the core business of a school. And this is where we talk about the CIO thinking, the Chief Information Officer thinking in and around the SGB. It is critical to develop a long-term technology strategy for the school.
Welcome to our information session, How to Attend a Webinar. This is an example of a type of webinar, which can be defined as an online meeting or digital conference session. The purpose of this session is to familiarize you with webinars and how easy it is to use and set up. Our administrator and corporate manager is Mr. Paul Renken, who is available to answer any additional questions you may have. The 4 questions that we will be discussing today: 1. What is a webinar? 2. What do you need to attend a webinar? 3. What are the benefits of a webinar? 4. How to attend a webinar. 1. What is a webinar? A webinar is essentially communication, using the internet to connect to people, wherever they may be. It is a live video feed using the internet through various devices to be able to communicate, be it in a discussion format or maybe in a boardroom meeting process. In the FEDSAS application, we are using it mainly in the training development process, SGB training, and getting information across that we really feel are pertinent to our members. 2. What do you need to attend a webinar? You need stable internet connectivity, whether it is ADSL, a mobile connection or fiber optic connection. You will need a mobile device such as a smartphone or tablet, or alternatively a laptop or desktop, which is sound enabled using speakers, and optionally a webcam to allow you to interact and sufficiently receive the information. If you are using a mobile device, you will need to download the Zoom application through the iStore or Google Play and is easy to set up. 3. What are the benefits of a webinar? We understand that we are dealing with volunteers, so time is precious. Travel costs are high. Thus, this is an effective way of getting information across to our governing members and our membership schools within the comfort of your office or home. We are building knowledge, giving information while the sessions are recorded and sent to you after each session. During a webinar, interaction takes place and there is an opportunity for questions that will be answered by the panel attending the webinar. And often our provincial managers are in attendance as well to assist with any related queries. Webinars also allow us to connect with one another, even if it is not personal and we cannot enjoy a cup of coffee together. We can at least connect on certain levels and share everyone's knowledge, as there are sometimes other schools who are in the same boat as you are, and together we can find the right solutions. 4. How to attend a webinar. Registration links will be sent out. We usually release them early in the term, so you can register for the webinars that you would like to attend by filling in the necessary details. Some of our webinars run at a cost, so an invoice will be sent to you, and once payment has been received, you will receive a unique attendee link, or where no payment is involved, the link will be sent automatically. Be advised to link up 5 to 10 minutes before the time to ensure everything is working properly. Once you click on the attendee link, the system will prompt you to revise your settings and preferences before being directed to a waiting area where the host will grant you access to the webinar. The windows on your screen for the setting and preferences prompt, as well as the waiting area, will look like this. Here is a snapshot of a recent board meeting that we had to give you an idea of the capability of the process. There is a second one with numerous attendees all waving at you. You will note on the top left corner, the second block is highlighted to indicate who is talking. You will also note some of the blocks don't have a video attendance. There is an option to only participate audibly or with video, as well as an option to mute, which you will see on the bottom of your screen and looks like this. Here is a further example of a session being attended in a composite way. 5 people in a conference setting on the bottom left, and 3 other individuals at individual stations. We will be using it more for training to get pertinent information across to our members wherever they may be. For any further information, here are Mr. Renkin's details again, and we look forward to seeing you online at our next session.
Access to the Centre for Technology is critical to help schools connect with market players or industry players that have quality solutions and products for schools. The FEDSAS Centre for Technology is a resource to all our members. We've been around for a while, and we advise and inspire schools to adopt technology for the purpose of improving our schooling processes. We have a slogan over the past few years that say, we have to learn as we live. And in saying that, we want to urge people to have their learning spaces mirror their living spaces. We're not in the same context, but if your living space has advanced technologically, we should sometimes introduce technology in our learning spaces. We also have a platform for industry players and service providers that have quality products and solutions for schools. You can find a lot of the information that we share on our members through our Tech Talks, which is a regular series of webinars on a weekly or bi-weekly basis, where we showcase some of the products and solutions of our members, but we talk about pertinent issues that affect our schools. Most of these sessions can be viewed online shortly after the event on our YouTube channel. And we want to urge and invite you to follow FEDSAS on social media. Register and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook, especially Facebook, where we share a lot of our information and options to register for our talks. Another resource we have is a regular publication of our e-magazine called Tech Talk, where we write articles about the issues of the day in technology in schools, as well as showcase some of the great products and special offers by some of the members of technology. You are welcome to contact me at the Centre for Technology to assist your school, to advise, to give some more information on some of the talks we have, or even to have a consultation session with your school and your SGB. Do not hesitate to contact me should you have the need.